Every day, the sun sends an incredible amount of energy to Earth. In fact, the sunlight that reaches our planet in just 1 hour contains more energy than the entire world uses in a year. But how can a solar panel turn sunlight into electricity? Let's find out. First, what exactly is a solar panel? A solar panel is a device that converts sunlight directly into electricity. Each panel is made up of many smaller units called solar cells. Most solar cells are made from a material called silicon. Now, here's where the science gets interesting. Sunlight is made up of tiny packets of energy called photons. When these photons strike the surface of a solar cell, they transfer their energy to electrons inside the silicon. The energized electrons break free from their atoms and begin to move. And whenever electrons move, an electric current is created. This process is known as the photovoltaic effect. It's the fundamental principle behind every solar panel in the world. However, the electricity produced by solar panels is called direct current, or DC electricity. The problem is that most homes and businesses use alternating current, or AC electricity. So, how do we convert one into the other? This is where an inverter comes in. The inverter takes the DC electricity generated by the solar panels and converts it into AC electricity that can be used by everyday devices. Once converted, the electricity can power lights, televisions, computers, refrigerators, air conditioners, and many other appliances. But what happens if the solar panels produce more electricity than the building needs? There are two common solutions. The excess electricity can be stored in batteries for later use, or it can be sent back to the electrical grid, where it can help power other homes and businesses. One of the biggest advantages of solar panels is that they have very few moving parts. This makes them reliable, quiet, and relatively low maintenance. They also generate clean electricity without producing harmful emissions. As technology continues to improve, solar energy is becoming more efficient and more affordable every year. So, to summarize, solar panels capture sunlight, photons transfer energy to electrons, the moving electrons create an electric current, an inverter converts that electricity into a form we can use. And finally, that electricity powers our homes, businesses, and devices. It's a simple idea, yet it has the power to transform the way we generate energy. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about engineering, technology, renewable energy, and future innovations, subscribe to TechVerse Academy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.